Couple thought their $2,000 Facebook Marketplace scam went unnoticed.
On November 12, 2025, officers responded to a complaint regarding a suspected trailer scam conducted through Facebook Marketplace.
You want to start at the beginning for Officer Keeper?
Oh, yeah. So he sold me this trailer. Wait until the end of the month to switch lot rent over so that way I didn't have to pay lot rent. The company, the Oakwoods, just to like clarify, because he says he's moving out.
I have a strong feeling she is the one who's getting scammed here, because she doesn't seem all that like crazy or anything.
So I'm like, okay, great, that's cool. So to make sure this is okay, he provides me one number. I call the number. This guy has no clue what he's talking about. I ask him what the address is. He says, oh, I don't know, it's in Morton. I say, okay, what's your middle name and last name? He goes,
I mean, for one thing, why are you buying a whole unit like this without like doing it properly? I mean,
I wouldn't assume people would be this shitty of people, so I'm just trying to find the good in people, unfortunately. So then he provides me with another number. The number texts me saying that she's...
This is her yapping for like 5 minutes, and I don't want to listen to her yapping anymore.
I'm well aware.
Yeah, so it's not their property, and then they're charging her rent for it, is what it sounds like. That's a weird situation. I feel like you should have done more work on the back end. I mean, you're buying the place for your 2 kids and everything. I feel like you should probably do a little bit of research on who these people are, like the public records for who owns the thing. Like, this is kind of your fault.
Did you watch her sign it?
Yeah, I stood right there on the porch, and they were inside on the living room, and I saw directly into the house.
Okay.
Who did you pay?
I paid the man.
Cash?
Yes.
And what type of bills?
There was some 20s and some 100s.
And when did you pay?
Dude, they had to be like Airbnb-ing that and then playing the ruse out that way. Because how else are they like in the house and everything like that? It's a little bit elaborate, but I still feel like she should know a little bit. Like,
yesterday morning, he told me word for word, well, we can wait till the end of the month to talk to the leasing company, so that way you don't have to pay anything this month. Okay. I thought maybe he was just being nice. Sure. Come to find out, just because he wanted to get away with his...
Yeah, who's just gonna be nice for no reason when you're trying to buy something off of them like that? Like that's kind of on you for thinking there's like that good of people. That's overly optimistic. I mean, it's good to have a little bit of thought of people could be good, but that's too far.
Yeah.
What state is he moving to?
I think Indiana, but I've also heard him talk about Florida, so one of those.
Yeah, I'm sure it's neither of those. All right, just go ahead and hang tight. Yep. So, Brian, what's going on with this?
We sold her this trailer. We never put the title in her name. We're like, hey, we know the guy. We gave him the number. She's in like he's drunk. So my wife starts relaying everything they're saying through her phone to them. And she's like, oh, well, you guys don't own the trailer. If I didn't own the trailer, I wouldn't have the title. Wouldn't be signed. If the title's signed, we own the trailer. We never put it in our name. You don't have to put it in our name. By law, the trailer court said we didn't have to put it in our name. So we never put the title in our name. I have the message.
That's ridiculous. Nobody would ever tell you not to put the title in your name if you're buying the trailer. That's just stupid.
Where I borrowed the money from the other dude talking about, I sold the trailer. I'm going to have to get something in writing from you so I can pay you back the money I owe you. She's trying to say there's $5,000 owed on this trailer. No, there's not. There ain't no $5,000 owed on this trailer. Lot rent's $631 a month. Been paid since I got here. So $5,000 owed, there's no fucking way.
Well, that...
It's $631 a month is not bad, but I mean this is just a shack. But I mean it's $631.
According to the office.
Yeah,
I don't know where this is.
Nobody's answered. She said I just talked to him, so I called up there. They closed at like 3:30, but you talked to them 10 minutes before you came here. No, they already knew we were putting the trailer up there. So since DCFS came and took our kid because of all the shit, we told them it's sold. She goes, all right, sell it. We'll start sending people down there.
So who is this Chris?
That's the bird we bought the trailer from like a year ago.
Okay. Do you have his number?
The last number I have is the number I gave her to him. I got him on Facebook too.
Yeah, if you could give me his number.
Yeah.
What is she doing? Why is she just bringing out loose clothes like this in handfuls?
Are you supposed to go through the office when you sell?
No, you don't have to go through the office. You own the trailer. Yeah, I bought it, never registered it. I have where I can show you his tax right here. I'm gonna go back to.
Why would you never get it titled in your name?
Because they told us we didn't have to. They said all we had to do is transfer the taxes. That's all we've ever done.
Well, here's the thing: if I buy a car, I'm not gonna leave that.
Exactly.
If I buy it from you, I won't leave it in your car.
If they still possess it, they hold the title.
So this guy got scammed essentially. That's what I'm getting out of this. If he doesn't actually know, then
that's how we were told.
And how did you get the title?
Because I bought it right out. You don't pay them nothing. So if you're paying them for the trailer, they hold the title. If you own the trailer, they give you the title.
Okay, but you just said that they hold the title. Well, obviously not.
Yes, if so, for instance, if you're buying the trailer from them, they hold the title.
Until it's paid.
Correct. So then if you buy the trailer from somebody, you get the title, like a car.
And you get it titled in your name.
Well, we were told we didn't have to do that.
Well, I mean, do you do that with a car?
This is the first.
Why would you hold a car with a title that doesn't have your name in it? That's so dumb. I mean, anybody that looks at that's going to think that it's a stolen car. There's nothing linking you to that car.
First time I got one, and I told her if it's that big a deal, tomorrow when my bank opens, I'll go give her the money back. Because it ain't really an issue of the money. But they came over here acting crazy, and we're like, what are you talking about? We screwed you over. We don't screw people over. We have no reason to. We gave you the title. The same.
The simple fact of how she's doing this and the fact that she's doing it right now while they're trying to like figure this out, like I really think they're the problem, because what are you doing right now? Why are you doing it that way? That's what gets me the most. Is that really the most efficient? No, couldn't be.
The way it was given to us.
So who signed the title?
He did. We've had that title since he did it. It just wasn't dated.
Okay.
And we didn't date the title. Here's where I bought it back in for $3,000, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I don't got nothing to lie to you about, because I know what I own. Go here to Marketplace. I scroll all the way down here. Here it is. Sold. That was way back then.
You can't use an old Marketplace ad to prove that you own the house.
I own the trailer.
Okay, well, what I'm saying is, according to that title, you do not.
So who
exactly.
owns it then?
Looks like whoever this owns it.
No, I own it, because here's where...
So was it left open? And
Yeah.
then when you sold it yesterday,
I just never put it...
It sounds like Katie signed.
No,
to transfer
no,
to
no,
her.
no. Signed the title. I have the stuff right here. Signed it. It was never dated. The only thing we told her is you'll have to date it, because it wasn't dated. But everything was signed. Nobody signed nothing. That title was signed. It's been in my safe since I got.
He keeps saying nobody signed nothing, then it was signed, and it's so like crackhead speak. This is not. Oh my god.
We got the title. We never put the title into my name, because we were told by the previous man.
So then you're saying
All right, I'm gonna ask her what's going on.
Hey, Mary Kay, you might talk to me over here. So, what's going on?
We sold the house,
Okay.
and she wanted the house, so she gave us
You sold the house for $5,000? That seems weird.
the money,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah.
Okay. So she gave you the 2,000, and then do you know this guy that the title is on?
I wasn't here. I moved from Indiana in May.
All right. Right.
Yeah.
But have you had any contact with him?
I'm not answering questions. I'm just.
Oh,
Well, hold on. You guys aren't leaving. You're staying here.
yeah, you can't just.
That's fine. We'll stay here, but I'm really curious to what you're trying to get at.
I'm trying to get down to the bottom of it. Is what I'm trying to
Dude,
get
I
at.
just told you if you give me an email, I'll email you where this guy is called, dude, and ask him to sign the title.
Bro, the only thing that you need is a title with your name on it. There's nothing else that matters here.
The suspects was never identified or contacted.
Because that's when he.
Oh, I missed something. Hold up.
Yes. Yeah. He called me because.
Further investigation revealed that the wife's phone number was provided to the victim as the original owner's contact information. The actual original owner who sold the trailer to the suspects was never identified or contacted.
Because that's when he
I'd
sent
say.
me.
Exactly, yeah. So y'all don't even own it.
Okay.
The 8121 like.
Yeah.
I have any idea? I gotta get to this appointment.
Yeah. Just hang tight for us. All right, Brian. Mike, get off the phone for
Oh,
me.
here we
For
go.
what?
You're gonna be under arrest.
What am I being arrested for?
Put your hands behind your back.
All right, can I be told?
Theft by deception.
How? How's it theft? When I just said I'd give the lady back her money. Yesterday, I said it 3 times on your body cam. I bought.
He got some dirty ass hands to be wearing a dress shirt right now. That looks so goofy.
I'm not going to jail for this. You don't have to squeeze my wrist.
I'm not squeezing. I'm just holding on because if you fall, that's on me.
All right, can you get my wife? Can I talk to my wife for a second?
That was it, man.
The question. Ask the lady if I give her money back. What's my wife being arrested for?
No, I mean, you can't just give the money back now. You already committed the crime of pretending that you sold her a house. All right. Anyway, that was okay. And then he doesn't usually show the charges at the end, so police releases,